Okay, is it good? Okay, there we go.
You never know when this could make YouTube.
Not make YouTube. 6. It might.
No, we didn't. It hasn't ended yet.
Still 6.
That's what it says.
What are you at?
I've got 3. She's trying to make 10 in a row.
I'm not trying to make 10 in a row. Just
Well,
10.
not in a row, just 10.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can! Believe in yourself! And you can make it! Yes, I made it! Because I believe! Because I believe!
Have you ever seen Stabby?
Yes. Now, and he just got some free promotion.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's because you just mentioned him while I'm recording.
Oh, let's see. Stabby has this, what you call it? Stabby has a, well, I'm on 7, right? 7 or 6?
Wait. You're at 7, I think.
Yeah, I think so too. Alright. So 7. But see, Stabby has this video on Crazy Craft. And there's elevators and Squid keeps on saying you have to believe.
You have to believe!
And once it worked,
Yes!
and Stabby was like, I knew it. I believed this time.
I believe!
Ah! Now, do not put any of this on YouTube. This is embarrassing.
No, it's not. It's awesome. Give a like if this is awesome.
I seriously just ran away from the ball. Is that awesome? No.
No, it was only because I accidentally hit you.
Oh, that was awesome. No, it really wasn't.
Now I'm at 5. Yeah, and you're at 9.
No, I'm at 8.
Whoa! Fine, you're at 8.
I'm chasing the doodle meeting. 8. 9. 9, Mom.
No!
That's all. I bet
Six.
you. I bet you $5 that I will make it this time.
Okay.
I really know I won't, but I just want to.
And if you don't make it, you gotta.
I will give you $5. I promise
Yeah,
that.
and it's on video, so I gotta document it.
So you could even put me in 4.
Ha!
I give you
Oh.
$5.
Yes, you do.
But I don't have $5, so I'll give you that Wednesday.
Okay.
I promise that.
Okay. And if I don't make this, you don't have to give me the $5. Okay. Okay.
If I make this one now, then I won't have to give you the $5. Okay?
No, we already canceled the bet because seriously.
We're leaving.
In a second.
No, like right now. Go.
Fine. Okay.
Bye, Caleb. One
This is
second.
where I was standing at.
Wait,